Space, the final frontier. A vast expanse that has always intrigued and inspired humanity. Once a realm of dreams and science fiction, it is rapidly becoming an extension of human activity. Our ambitions are no longer confined to our planet. Satellites, once a novelty, now number in the thousands, orbiting our planet like a technological halo. Private companies are launching rockets with increasing regularity. The space race now includes ambitious entrepreneurs. The International Space Station stands as a testament to international collaboration, a beacon of unity in space. Yet this expansion is not without challenges. Space debris and potential collisions pose significant risks. As we venture further, we must proceed with caution and foresight. Our journey has just begun, and the cosmos awaits. As our planet's resources dwindle, our gaze turns towards the cosmos. Asteroids, rich in precious metals and water ice, beckon like celestial treasure chests. The Moon, our closest celestial neighbor, holds the promise of helium-3, a potential fuel for future fusion reactors. This potential for vast wealth has sparked a new space race, this time not just for prestige, but for tangible resources. Nations and corporations alike are vying for a piece of the cosmic pie. This scramble for extraterrestrial resources raises critical questions. Who owns the resources of space? And how will these resources be divided? Our increasing reliance on satellites comes at a cost. The very technology that connects us is also creating a hazardous environment in low Earth orbit. Defunct satellites, spent rocket stages, and fragments from collisions form a growing cloud of space debris, hurtling around our planet at incredible speeds. This orbital debris poses a significant threat to active satellites and future space missions. A collision with even a small piece of debris can have catastrophic consequences, potentially triggering a chain reaction that could cripple our space infrastructure. This Kessler syndrome scenario paints a grim picture of a future where space becomes increasingly dangerous and unusable. Star Wars, a new battlefield for old conflicts. As we venture further into space and depend on it more, the potential for conflict grows. The same geopolitical tensions that exist on Earth could easily spill over into the cosmos. Disputes over resource rights, territorial claims, and strategic positioning could escalate into outright conflict. The militarization of space is already underway, with countries developing anti-satellite weapons and space-based defense systems. This militarization, coupled with the lack of clear international regulations governing space activities, creates a volatile situation. Echoes of history. Lessons from Earth's past. As we navigate this new frontier, it's crucial to learn from our past mistakes. The vast expanse of space offers us endless possibilities, but it also presents challenges reminiscent of those we've faced on Earth. The history of our planet is rife with conflicts over resources and territory. The scramble for colonies led to numerous wars and suffering. These events are lessons we must heed. Exploitation of natural resources has left scars on our planet. From deforestation to fossil fuel depletion, these actions have lasting impacts. Space is a shared inheritance to be explored responsibly. By learning from our past and working together, we can ensure our ventures into space are marked by cooperation and sustainability. A spacefaring United Nations. Towards international cooperation, preventing conflict in space requires a concerted global effort, just as nations came together to establish the Antarctic Treaty, which reserves Antarctica for peaceful purposes. We need a similar international framework for space. This framework must address issues such as resource allocation, debris mitigation, and the peaceful use of space. We need a spacefaring United Nations, a forum where nations can work together to ensure space remains a global commons, accessible to all. This body could develop and enforce regulations, mediate disputes, and promote cooperation in areas such as space exploration, resource utilization, and scientific research. our shared destiny among the stars. The future of humanity is inextricably linked to the future of space. The cosmos is not just a frontier for scientific discovery, but a canvas for our collective dreams and aspirations. As we venture further into the cosmos, we must do so with a spirit of cooperation and responsibility. The challenges we face in space offer us a unique opportunity to unite as a global community. The vastness of space offers boundless opportunities for exploration and progress. Each new mission brings us closer to understanding our place in the universe. Let us not repeat the mistakes of our past by turning space into another arena for conflict. The history of the space race taught us valuable lessons about the dangers of competition without collaboration. Instead, let us strive to make space a shining example of our collective ingenuity. The collaboration between nations in space missions demonstrates that when we pool our resources and knowledge, we can achieve remarkable feats. The stars beckon as beacons of hope, guiding us toward a future where we can thrive as a species, both on Earth and among the stars. Together, we can turn this vision into reality.